In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads keyword insertion to improve your Google Ads. If you're looking to elevate your ad performance and ensure your potential customers see highly relevant ads tailored to their search terms, keyword insertion is a powerful tool you shouldn't miss. Let's get started by heading over to Google Ads. You'll want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage to begin the process. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it to enter your account. Make sure you're using your business account or the account tied to the ads you wish to manage. After successfully signing in, you'll arrive at the Google Ads home. Here is where the real work begins. To streamline your advertising efforts, you'll need to select the Campaigns tab. This tab is your gateway to managing the various campaigns you have running or plan to launch. Next, click on the Ads section within the Campaigns menu. This is your go-to area for creating, editing, and optimizing your advertisements. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create ad. Click on it, as this is the starting point for setting up a new advertisement that will utilize keyword insertion. The next step is selecting responsive search ad. This type of ad is ideal because it allows for dynamic content that adapts to the searches users perform, and adding keyword insertion will make it even more potent. So go ahead and choose this option to create a versatile ad setup. With your responsive search ad open, you'll want to type in the opening brace, alaso. This character is crucial as it will prompt a drop-down menu where you'll find the keyword insertion feature. Click on keyword insertion from this menu to incorporate this function into your ad. Keyword insertion helps tailor your ad's content by inserting the exact term a potential customer has searched for, thereby making your ad more relevant. This relevance can significantly improve your click-through rate, the percentage of people who decide to click on your ad after seeing it. The idea is that by dynamically altering your advertisement to better fit what search terms users are inputting, you're likely to capture greater interest. Remember, the effectiveness of keyword insertion hinges on your keyword list, so it's important to ensure your keyword list is comprehensive and accurately reflects the products or services you offer. Regularly updating and refining this list is a best practice that can lead to improved ad performance over time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully incorporated keyword insertion into your Google Ads, potentially making your ads more effective and your advertising budget better spent. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to optimize your digital marketing strategies.